Hi, my name is Norman Drakeshel from the Sea Dog line, and today we're going to show a new product we've just come out with. It's an upgrade of the one we've had before, but this is a little bit better as far as its ergonomics. It's a benchtop line cutting hot knife. As we all know, if you're at a chandlery or a shop where you're cutting a lot of cordage, and here I've got a piece of nylon, rather than take and use a pair of scissors and a lighter, if you use a hot knife that's designed for it, it makes a much nicer cut. The one we've had for quite a while is flat on the top. It comes across, and the problem is when you come down, as you make a cut, you're hitting the sides. This one's ergonomic, allow you to cut down and slide along. It allows you again to cut straight rather than cut at an angle. Makes it so it doesn't have any burrs on the end of it. It heats up to 1,000 degrees in about 11 seconds. And it comes with also a brush to clean the blade, comes with a second blade and an Allen wrench to tighten it. These are available now. Again, you can see all of our products at sea-dog.com. Safe boating out there. Thank you.